We're making no bakes today. In case you don't know what those are, I printed out the recipe. They are no-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies. Delicious no-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies with peanut butter and cocoa flavor, all without turning on the oven. So, I'm turning on the oven. Now, printed it out, old schooler. It says, bring your sugar, which is 2 cups of sugar. Yeah, it's a lot. Sugar, butter, a half a cup of butter or margarine. A whole stick is considered half a cup. A half a cup of milk. Pouring this all in together. Let's see, what else? Are we doing the cocoa powder? Yes, we are. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And it says a pinch of salt. I'm calling that a pinch of salt. And then we blend it up. Cut that butter up so it'll melt a little quicker. Okay, so this is all going to get incorporated. It's all going to get familiar with each other. That sugar and butter is going to melt, and then it's going to combine with the cocoa powder, which it's already starting to melt. Look at that. Okay, and we'll come back when it's all melted, because you don't want me to sit here and stir it and just watch me stir. That's crazy. Okay, so after everything is melted, you let it boil, small boil, for 2 minutes, which I've already done. I've already turned off the heat. Now we continue on after those ingredients. We then add 3 cups of quick cooking oats. There we go. Get those all moistened. And then add a half a cup of peanut butter. This is my homemade peanut butter that I made, homemade. And everything is lava hot, it's going to melt pretty quick, pretty good. Everything is all incorporated. Excellent. And then, last step, and the cocoa powder I used was just Hershey's cocoa powder. I think you could probably use anything. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. This is vanilla that this is my daughter's homemade vanilla. It's just vanilla beans and I don't know if she used vodka or bourbon in hers. Teaspoon. I make it with vodka. You can use flavored vodkas. It's quite easy. And of course you have to let the vanilla sit. Hers is, she made hers in the beginning of 23 because it has to extract. All right, so here we are. We got us some, yes, chocolate oatmeal basically. And then the directions say, mix well, and then Working quickly, drop by teaspoonfuls onto waxed paper and let cool. Now, as for the size, I got two, I don't know which one I want to do, probably the smaller one. And I have some parchment paper. Yeah, I think we'll do the small because those puppies are going to spread out pretty good. You can see me doing that, right? Okay. And then, I'm not going to do all of them because that would take forever and you would get bored. And yes, is there a lot of sugar in here? Oh, heaven's sakes, yes. Could you use alternatives? I bet you could. And then you can let it set. I think your best option is to set it in the refrigerator. I have it on a big cutting board, which will not fit in this refrigerator probably. I'll figure something out. Anyway, this is no bake chocolate oatmeal peanut butter cookies. And I think that's it. And if you'd like the recipe, or I could put it in my description, I got this off allrecipes.com. allrecipes.com. Oops. Sorry, I mugged you. Anywho, there we go. So, have a great day. I'll see you later.